What is up, guys? Today I will show you the M04 Max Plus here, and actually I can show you all the settings available on the scooter, how to activate cruise control, how to unlock maximum speed, and many others. Actually, this is suitable for not only for Kugo M4 Max Plus, also it's suitable for M4 and other Kugo scooters. There will be different combination. I think I will leave it in the comments below for each scooter what each settings means. But as for me, actually, firstly you need to enter the settings menu. For this scooter you need to hold plus and minus button at the same time. For some scooters you need to hold the power button for 3 seconds. So let's hold it, plus and minus, 1, 2, 3. So we enter the menu. And here we have many like 0, 7, 8, 9, 10, and definitely want to know what does it mean. In the comments below and the description you can find what does it mean. Now I will go one by one and explain to you. So first, this button, this D0 or whatever it's called, actually this means odometer reset. So you can reset your odometer here using this button. Okay, it's actually after 5 seconds it's exiting, need to always be on touch. P2 actually is distance, kilometers or miles. P3 is a voltage, it's 48 volt, don't need to touch it, don't change it please, and never touch this P3. P6, actually P6 is responsible for the wheel diameter, so here is 12 inches, if you have 10 inches you can put 10 inches. P7 is responsible for the magnet steel poles, so actually for motor timing do not touch this option as well. P9 is the start method, start from 0, or if you want to change you put plus, put 1 or 2, so means start from like kick, and 0 it means start from 0 speed. Actually, I prefer from zeros for now. 10, actually P10 is responsible for, I will touch it all the time just to keep it like this. The P10 is a drive mode, so you have 0 is assist, first is electric, and 2 is both, so it's actually up to you to select. I prefer zeros for now, but actually both is also quite good option. Then P11, so P11 is e-brake. 0 is doesn't work and 1 is activated. And also, for example, if you want to save the settings, you select 1, for example, and press the power button until it's turned off. So let's turn it on now. Then unblock it again. Okay, it's unlocked. Now let's open the settings again and I will show you that it's saved. Okay, go to 11. So you see it's 1, so it's saved. Let's move on. P12, actually P12 is for soft and hard start, so it's actually acceleration. 1 is soft, 2 is harder, and the hardest is 5. So I prefer soft start, so I keep it on 1. Also P15, that's the maximum power of your, let's say, scooter. It's the maximum power of your engine, how long it can push you, let's say, how maximum power it can give you. And I put 100%, so it means its maximum speed can be the maximum speed really that the scooter can make. If you want to lower it or limit to 20, 25 km per hour, you can always put the setting to lower. For example, around 40 is maximum speed of 25 km per hour. So in case someone stop you and want to check your speed, you can always make it lower here. P16 is cruise control, so it's actually 1 or 0. 0 it's you don't need it, 1 you need it. Just hold the throttle here for 5 seconds and you will get the cruise control. 99, so it's 99 is factory reset. If you hold this for 5 seconds, it will reset your scooter. And actually that's it, that's the key settings of your scooter. So if you just wait in this menu, it will move back to the main screen. Although, what kind of settings do we have here? Actually, you see the buttons, here's the horn, left and right indicator here, as you see it's also visible. This plus and minus is for gear, you change 1, 2 or 3, actually it's a speed. State normal means everything fine, and power button responsible to change this current voltage, this odometer here, although current trip, this is I think is voltage again, it's a time of turn on, and error code means 0 means no errors. So actually, if you double click, you turn on the light. If you triple click, you turn on the like SOS or blinding light like this. So actually this works good. And if you use press and hold plus, you will change to full mode. So it means first the front and back engine are working, the motors are operating, so it's like full. And it's D drive, and if you hold plus again, let's hold it, you switch to just a back wheel driving. Also this minus button is just walking mode, you can hold it, you see a walking mode button available. This throttle to start speed, so this just brakes here, working well. Actually, that's all what you need to know, what you need to do. And to get the maximum speed here, after you change all the settings, of course, you need to set up to full D drive mode and the gear 3, so it gives you the maximum performance of your scooter. That's actually pretty much it for the settings. In case you still have some questions, put the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.